En la varilla, o no pega.
Built in 1967, the CHS9 Dome Auditorium is receiving its first major interior renovation in 59 years. Construction began March 14th and is expected to finish July 31st, ahead of this 2026-27 school year. The redesigned space will feature arena-style seating, upgraded acoustics, and modern stage lighting.
So right now we're like 30-ish% of the way through the project. We're focusing on concrete right now. So tomorrow we actually have our concrete pour, which is the end of what we call our phase one. The complexity is fairly impressive where there's so much audio-visual and theatrical work in it where we have to have a whole lot of coordination. So in terms of overall size, pretty small. I'd say maybe like a 3.5, 4 out of 10. But in terms of complexity of the construction going in place, I'd probably move it up to at least a 7 or 8.